Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process of activating your Clarity.fm expert call account, enabling you to get paid for advice calls. Follow these step-by-step instructions to set up your account and start monetizing your expertise. Step 1. Sign up for Clarity.fm. 1. Visit the Clarity.fm website. 2. Click on the Sign Up button located at the top right corner of the homepage. 3. You can choose to sign up using your email address or your LinkedIn account. Fill in your details accordingly and follow the prompts to create your account. Step 2. Complete your profile. 1. Once you've signed up, log into your account. 2. Navigate to your profile settings. Here, you will fill out information about your expertise, including your professional background, skills, and areas in which you can offer advice. 3. Choose a professional profile picture that represents you well. Step 3. Set your call rate. 1. In your profile settings, scroll to the section where you can set your hourly rate for calls. 2. Research similar experts on Clarity.fm to determine a competitive rate for your services. 3. Set a clear and fair price that reflects your expertise and the value you provide. Step 4. Create a catchy bio. 1. Write a brief bio that highlights your experience and what potential clients can expect from your calls. 2. Keep it concise and engaging, focusing on how you can help others. 3. Use keywords that are relevant to your expertise to enhance visibility. Step 5. Connect your payment method. 1. To receive payments, you need to connect your bank account or PayPal account to your Clarity.fm profile. 2. Go to the payment settings section and follow the instructions to add your preferred payment method. 3. Ensure your payment method is verified to avoid any issues with receiving payments. Step 6. Promote your profile. 1. Share your Clarity.fm profile on social media platforms, your personal website, or any other channels where your potential clients might be. 2. Consider writing articles or creating content that showcases your knowledge and expertise, driving traffic to your profile. 3. Engage with your network to let them know you are available for advice calls. Step 7. Start taking calls. 1. Once your account is activated and your profile is complete, you'll start receiving call requests from clients. 2. Be prepared to provide valuable advice and make the most of each call to build your reputation and encourage repeat clients. Remember, your success on Clarity.fm will largely depend on your ability to provide meaningful insights and establish connections with your clients. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more tips and insights. Thank you for watching.